this is Rakshita and welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to give some information about breast cancer and signs, symptoms and the reasons that you get it, and how can you know if you have it a little early than the usual. So let's get into it. So first I'll tell you about the signs. The first sign which you may observe is pain, and the first thing that I want to tell you is, in breast cancer you may or may not have symptoms. So if you have symptoms or signs, the first thing which you can observe is pain. Okay, the first thing, the pain is like a stabby kind of thing. So and like it may be in one part of the breast or one side of the breast, or maybe completely. And the second thing that you can observe is, you may feel like an electric shock that is passing from left breast to the right nipple. And the second thing is lump. So when you speak about lump, it may be single or it may be even seed like lumps, like which are maybe many in number. And here when you speak about lumps, usually when the person is going through the menstrual cycle of the month, they may observe lump kind of structures in their breast, and those are normal. It doesn't give part in breast cancer. But even after the menstrual cycle, if they last long, then you may doubt about having breast cancer. But it may not be surely like breast cancer. It may be even because of any other non-cancerous tumors also. And the next thing that you may observe is change in size and shape of the breast. Yeah, even this size increasing or decreasing may even be observed during the menstrual cycle of the month, but normally it won't happen. Like after the menstrual cycle it won't happen. And the next thing is, if you are in that younger stage, I mean puberty age, where you're having the changes in your body, you may observe. But unless you are in these kind of situations, if you observe change in size and shape of the breast, then it may be because of breast cancer. And also you can observe inverted nipple. So you can observe a discharge which is not milk. It may be a bloody discharge or any other kind of discharge, but it's not milk discharge. And there is nipple sensitivity that you can observe, which is not in the menstrual cycle of the month. And you may have shoulder pain, back pain and neck pain even after you undergo physical therapy. If these pains are persistent, then it's better you get it checked. And then you have that itchy kind of feeling on the breast, and redness or flakiness of the skin also. So these are some symptoms or signs that you can observe when the person have breast cancer. And as I told you, it's not necessary that you have symptoms or signs when you have breast cancer. So it's better to get it checked, or have mammograph which shows you lumps which you cannot observe just by touch or pressing it. So it's better you get it checked every 6 months if your age is between 40 and 60. And when we speak about the reasons of getting the breast cancer, there are no specific reasons. There are factors which may contribute for you to get breast cancer. The first thing is age. If you are between 40 to 60, there is high chances of getting it. But it doesn't mean that you don't get it if you're below 40 or above 60, but the chances are very insignificant. And the second thing is obesity. Obesity may not be the whole point of getting it, but it may contribute. And the third thing is exposure to radiation. There are some jobs in which you may have chances of getting exposure to the radiation, like working in X-ray labs or any other labs where you work with rays or radiation. And the fourth thing is having no child in the total life, or having child at later ages. And there are some other factors also, like Your family history may contribute, like if anyone had in your family, you may have chance of getting it. And the second thing is your personal history. For example, you had some non-cancerous tumor in your breast before, but now there is a chance that it turns into a cancerous also. And also having a beginning of the menstrual cycle at younger age, or a beginning of the menopause very early. And yeah, these are the main things which contribute for the breast cancer. And other than this, there are no much things that you need to concern about. Yeah, so this is the information which I thought would help you to clear your doubt. And if this helps you a little, like in future, or if this helps to any one of you, I would be glad for that. And thank you so much. So if you like this video, please like, share, subscribe and comment down, and please click on the bell icon for further notifications of my video. Stay safe guys. Bye.